Welcome to Prayatnam's YouTube channel. I'm very happy to share my love and work on Sangamage poems. In the first episode, we got introduced to the Aham and Puram poems and also looked into the concept of Mudal, Karu and Uri. In the second episode, we saw the concept of Kutru, Ketpur and Munnam. We also saw a poem where the heroine was talking about her beloved, and then a poem where the hero was expressing his agony due to separation from his beloved. The other characters whose Kutru is seen in Aham poems are Nattrai, the real mother who gives birth to the heroine. In Thiruvaranga Kalambagam, a later medieval work, we find the mother feeling sad for her daughter who has fallen in love with Thiruvarangan. She is agonized, seeing her daughter behaving like a mad person, talking on her own, crying, not having her food in time, behaving abnormal, not playing or enjoying as other young girls around. The second character is Sevilithai, the woman who helps the real mother to grow the heroine up like a mother. In a poem in Natrinai, the Sevilithai visits stealthily the young girl, now married, and lives with her chosen husband. She wonders, is she the same young girl who would run around refusing food and being playful? Now she holds on to her dignity. She has refused the riches given by her father and is keeping up and living with meager food and resources provided by her husband. The third one, Sutram or Urar, which means people of that town. In one poem in Ainkuranuru, the people of the town notice the young couple traveling beyond the town limits. It is a desert land and there is no water or shade in the way. How are they going to travel? And how would they cross this tough time? They worry. The fourth, friends of the hero, are known by name Pangan. Panan, who is capable of singing and helps the hero, is also friend to the hero and is seen in poems. There are poems where Panan tries to make peace between the hero and heroine, where a disagreement occurs. Rarely they talk directly to the heroine, and mostly they would meet the friend of the heroine, the Tholi, and she would answer them. Fifth, Parattai, the other woman. Sometimes one who has a relationship with the hero. In fact, in poems in Ainkuranuru, Kurundugai, etc., she even mocks at him. She says, when he comes here, he orders me around, but if he goes back to his house, he is nearly a puppet in his wife's hand. The sixth one, and the most important one, the friend of the heroine, called Tholi. In today's episode, we would see a poem where the Sakhi or Tholi is the narrator. The Tholi is an important character in Aham poems. She knows her friend, the heroine, in and out from childhood. She plays with her, follows her, thinks for her, spies her, wants her, helps her, consoles her, fights for her, leads her, advises her, assures her, saves her, and much more. She is almost like a mirror in front of the heroine and stands by her in every aspect of her love life. Her given qualities thus would be love, concern, steadfastness, kindness, carefulness, helping, thinking, etc. She would mostly be of a similar age of the heroine, sometimes more or less. The Tori, who is young, youthful, would mostly be the daughter of the Sevelithai. I would compare her with a queen in the chessboard who can move in any direction. At times, when the heroine is in a relationship, she not only helps before that, she makes sure that he is good enough to be her companion. There are songs where she cuts off the relationship when she finds the hero unfit. What I am going to share today is a poem from Natchinai, number 149, by poet Ulochanar. This poem is in the backdrop of Neidal Tinai. The narrator or Kutru is by the Tori. Kedpor is the heroine. The Tori addresses the heroine and talks to her directly. The munnam or situation is that the mother comes to know about the relationship of the heroine with her beloved and has put her in house arrest. More than that, the affair has already spread wide in the town and people have started gossiping about that. The Tori says, "Dear friend, may you live long. People in our vicinity have smelt your relationship with the hero and are putting their fingers to their noses to eagerly gossip about your relationship. Your mother has thrashed you and also kept you in house arrest. Worry not. Instead, listen to me. Do not worry about these people. Live the life you deserve. Elope with your beloved, who would come in the chariot that has swift horses, the horses that have a nice mane. To that place, smells beautifully with fresh flowers. Fear not. Elope."
தோழி வாழி தோழி வாழி மருகில் பெண்டி சிலரும் பலரும் கடி கண்ணோக்கி மூக்கின் உச்சி சுட்டு விரல் சேர்த்தி அம்பல் தோற்ற தோழி வாழி மருகில் பெண்டி சிலரும் பலரும் கடை கண்ணோக்கி மூக்கின் உச்சி சுட்டு விரல் சேர்த்தி அம்பல் தோற்ற கானல் புதுமலர் தீண்டிய பூனாறு உருவு சுவல் கடுமான் பூண்ட நெடுந்தே கடை நடுநாள் வரும் இயல்தே நெடுந்தே கடை நடுநாள் வரும் இயல்தே குங்கனோடு யானே செலவு அயர்ந்திசினா அலர் சுமந்து மொழிக இவ்வழுங்கள் ஊரே அலர் சுமந்து மொழிக இவ்வழுங்கள் ஊரே
Stay tuned with Prayatnam's YouTube channel. We have a lot to share with you all. If you have not subscribed, click the subscribe button.